In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view and manage your domains from your account dashboard. To get started, sign into your account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. This is the central area where you can access the different services and settings connected to your account. Once you're there, look at the main navigation panel and find the option labeled Domains. Click on it to open the section where all of your domain-related information is organized. After the domains page loads, you'll be able to view the full list of domain names that are owned or managed under your account. This is useful if you have more than one domain, because it gives you a clear overview in one place. Take a moment to scan through the list and identify the domain you want to work with. Depending on your account, you may see several domain names here, so it helps to double check that you're selecting the correct one before making any changes. When you're ready, click on the domain you want to manage. This will open the management area for that specific domain, where you can access several important settings. From here, you can review or update your DNS settings. These controls are especially important if your domain needs to connect to a website, email service, or another online platform. Be careful when editing DNS records, since even small changes can affect how your domain functions. You can also manage your name servers from this same area. Name servers determine where your domain's DNS is handled, so this setting is commonly used when connecting a domain to hosting or a third-party service. If you're following setup instructions from another provider, this is often where you'll make those updates. In addition to that, you'll be able to check or adjust the auto-renewal setting. Keeping auto-renewal enabled can help prevent your domain from expiring unexpectedly, which is a good habit if the domain is important for your business, website, or brand. You may also see the option to manage WHOIS privacy. This feature helps protect your personal contact details from being publicly visible in domain registration records, depending on the domain type and eligibility. That's it. By going to your dashboard, opening the domain section, viewing your list of domains, and selecting a domain to access its management settings, you can quickly take control of the key options connected to your domain.